We're over at North Rigton, which is near Harrogate, doing a balcony refurb. We're replacing the old timber decking and structure with a new galvanised and powder coated steel framework. So we're just installing the last piece of steel, just slewing it round. Josh is up on the scaffold, he's going to receive the end of it. Once we've got this last piece in, we'll just check all the line and the level, make sure everything's nice and square, and then we're ready to put all the decking purlins in to carry the decking boards.